Gay-Lussac's law. This is also called as law of combining volumes of gases. At times, this is also called as Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes of gases. This law is applicable only for gaseous reactions. Gaseous reaction means all reactants and products in the reaction are in gaseous state. Statement: ratio between the volumes of gaseous reactants and gaseous products can be expressed in simple whole numbers. Let us consider the reaction hydrogen reacting with chlorine giving HCl as the product. Observe, in this reaction all reactants and products are in gaseous form, meaning we can apply Gay-Lussac's law to this reaction. We know that in this reaction, one molecule of hydrogen reacts with one molecule of chlorine, giving two molecules of hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. By using the Gay-Lussac's law, same reaction can be quoted as follows. If we express the volume of reactants and products in milliliter, that is ml, then 1 ml of hydrogen reacts with 1 ml of chlorine, giving 2 ml of HCl. If we use liter to express the volume, then the statement changes to 1 liter of hydrogen reacts with 1 liter of chlorine, giving 2 liters of hydrogen chloride. Generally, 1 volume of hydrogen reacts with 1 volume of chlorine, giving 2 volumes of hydrogen chloride. If we take the simple ratio of volumes between the reactants and products, then the ratio will be 1:1:2. This is nothing but Gay-Lussac's law. Let us understand the same reaction and law pictorially here. We know that 1 volume of hydrogen reacts with 1 volume of chlorine, giving 2 volumes of hydrogen chloride. If we represent 1 volume of hydrogen and equal volume of chlorine with 2 balloons of same size, this is hydrogen gas and this is chlorine gas. These two reacts to give 2 volumes of hydrogen chloride, meaning balloon size is doubled here. If we look into this example, it looks as if to get the product volume, we just have to add the reactant volume. Let us cross verify this idea in the next example. 2 hydrogen reacting with 1 oxygen giving 2 water molecules. Observe, all reactants and products are in gaseous form. So we can apply Gay-Lussac's law. Accordingly, we can tell 2 volumes of hydrogen reacts with 1 volume of oxygen giving 2 volumes of water vapor. If we represent 2 volumes of hydrogen as 2 circles and 1 volume of oxygen as 1 circle, then hydrogen and oxygen reacts to give 2 volumes of water molecules that can be represented with the 2 circles like this. Unlike the previous case where product volume could be obtained just by adding the reactant volume, here we cannot get the product volume simply by adding the reactant volume. If we take the reactant volume and product volume ratio, that comes out to be 2:1:2. Another example, 2 molecules of carbon monoxide gas reacting with 1 molecule of oxygen gas giving 2 molecules of carbon dioxide gas. According to Gay-Lussac's law, 2 volumes of carbon monoxide reacting with 1 volume of oxygen giving 2 volumes of carbon dioxide. If we take the reactant and product volume ratio, that is 2:1:2. Last example, 1 molecule of nitrogen gas reacting with 3 molecules of hydrogen gas giving 2 molecules of ammonia gas. According to the law, 1 volume of nitrogen represented by 1 circle is reacting with 3 volumes of hydrogen represented by 3 circles, giving 2 volumes of ammonia that can be represented with 2 circles. If we take the ratio of volume of the reactants and products, that comes out to be 1:3:2. Instead of writing the 3 circles, we can even represent the volumes of hydrogen as a bigger circle like this. Again, 1 volume of nitrogen reacting with 3 volumes of hydrogen, giving 2 volumes of ammonia.